What is the formula for cos A minus B? Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Take tan on both sides. So this is tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 180 minus 1 by secant. 1 by secant is nothing but what? Cos square A. So one cos and cos gets cancelled. In the numerator we have 2 sin A into cos A. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. Today in this session I am going to discuss regarding very important concepts in this compound angles for 2 markers. In the previous class we have discussed regarding 1 mark questions and 2 marks question. Today in this session I will take few more problems in compound angles for 2 markers and 3 markers. Now let us discuss few 2 marker questions on compound angles. Just recall the formulas which we have studied. So in the previous class we have studied the formulas for tan of A plus B and A minus B. Similarly cos of A plus B and A minus B, and tan of A plus B and A minus B. So based on this we have solved the problems. Today also I will take few more problems based on this formulas of compound angles. Now let us move on to a problem. This is a 3 marker question. Prove that cos A plus B into cos A minus B is equal to cos square A minus sin square B. Now let us take LHS. First write down the LHS. What is LHS? LHS is equal to cos of A plus B into cos of A minus B. Now just write down the formulas. What is cos A plus B? Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right. And what is the formula for cos A minus B? Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Just multiply it. Cos A into cos A is cos square A. Cos B into cos B is cos square B, minus into plus it is minus sin A into sin A is sin square A. Sin B into sin B is sin square B. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form A plus B into A minus B. What is the formula for A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Cos square A cos square B minus sin square A sin square B. Now what is the answer you want to get? Cos square A and sin square B. Now cos square A as it is, you just keep cos square A, and this cos square B can be written as 1 minus sin square B minus. So sin square B as it is, convert this sin square A into cos square. 1 minus cos square A into this sin square B will remain the same. Okay, just convert cos square into 1 minus sin square. Again sin square A as 1 minus cos square. Now multiply it. So if you multiply, cos square A into 1 is cos square A minus cos square A into sin square B. Again multiply by minus sin square B minus sin square B, minus into minus plus cos square A into sin square B. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So minus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A sin square B gets cancelled. What is left over is cos square A minus sin square B, which is a required RHS. That's it. Very simple. See, cos square A minus sin square B. Just convert cos square B as 1 minus sin square B. Again sin square A as 1 minus cos square A. Multiply it. 1 into cos square is cos square. Cos square A into sin square B is cos square A sin square B minus sin square B into 1 is sin square B, minus into minus plus cos square sin square. Cancel the terms which gets cancelled. That is minus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A sin square B gets cancelled. Cos square A minus sin square B, which is a required RHS. Hope you followed. This is a 2 or 3 marker question. Now move on to a similar type problem. Now prove that tan of pi by 4 plus A is equal to 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. This is also a very simple problem. Let us take LHS. What is LHS? Tan of pi by 4 plus A. Okay. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B, right? Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now, what is A? A is equal to pi by 4, B is equal to A. So this can be written as, I'll write here, tan of pi by 4. Tan of A is nothing but pi by 4 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B is nothing but 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan A. Now substitute the value. You know what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan A. So this is equal to, since you know tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. So therefore 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus 1 into tan A is tan A, which is a required RHS. See, 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. Just substitute the value of A as pi by 4 and B as A, then tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A, tan B is tan 45 is 1 plus tan A divided by again 1 minus tan 45 is 1 into tan A, 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. Okay, hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Now, if tan A is equal to 1 by 3, tan of A plus B is equal to 1 by 7, find tan B. Now this is also an important problem. What is given? Tan A is given, tan of A plus B is given. What is required to find is tan B. Tan B is to be determined. Tan B is the question mark. Now just I'll solve here. So first find out tan A plus B. What is the formula for tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus B is given, that is 1 by 7 is equal to, what is tan A? Tan A is equal to 1 by 3. We don't know tan B as it is, divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to 1 by 3 into tan B. Now take LCM and simplify. So that's equal to, I'll write here, 1 over 7 is equal to, 3 is the LCM, 1 plus 3 tan B divided by 3 whole divided by, again 3 is the LCM, 3 into 1 is 3 minus 1 into tan B is tan B divided by 3. This 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Just what is remaining? Just I'll write 1 over 7 is equal to 1 plus 3 tan B divided by 3 minus tan B. Now cross multiply it. So if you cross multiply, 1 into 3 minus tan B is 3 minus tan B is equal to 7 into 1 plus 3 tan B. Now multiply this. What is this equal to? 3 minus tan B is equal to 7 into 1 is 7 plus 7 3s are 21. 21 tan B. 3 minus tan B is equal to 7 plus 21 tan B. Now just transfer this. So 3 minus 7 is equal to 21 tan B and minus tan B becomes plus tan B. So 3 minus 7 is minus 4 is equal to 21 plus 1 is 22 times tan B. So what is required to find is only tan B. Therefore, tan of B is equal to minus 4 divided by 22. So divide by 2, what you will get? If you divide by 2, you will get minus 2 2s are 2 11s are. So therefore, tan B is equal to minus 2 by 11. Very simple. Hope you followed. Okay. Now what is the next problem? If tan A is equal to 5 by 6, tan B is equal to 1 by 11, show that A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Same. Just take tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now, tan of A plus B is equal to tan A. What is tan A? 5 by 6 plus what is tan B? 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus tan A is equal to 5 by 6 into tan B is 1 by 11. So therefore we can write tan of A plus B is equal to, tan A plus B is equal to, take LCM, 6 into 11 is 66, cross multiply, 11 5s are 55 plus 6 1s are 6 divided by, again 11 6 are 66 LCM, 66 into 1 is 66 minus 5, these two gets cancelled. Tan of A plus B is equal to 55 plus 6 is 61 divided by 66 minus 5 is 61, that's equal to 1. So tan of A plus B is equal to 1 means that is nothing but tan 45. What is tan 45? 1. So therefore A plus B is equal to pi by 4 or 45 degrees. That's it. So A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Very simple concept. Just use tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. 5 by 6 plus 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus 5 by 6 into 1 by 11. That's equal to, take LCM. 66 is LCM. So cross multiply, you will get 55 plus 6 is 61 divided by 66 minus 5. 61 by 61 is 1. Tan of 1 is nothing but tan pi by 4. So what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So therefore A plus B is equal to pi by 4. Now let us move on to the next problem. This is also an important problem. Prove that cos 2a divided by secant a plus sin 2a divided by cosecant a is equal to cos a. Very simple problem. Take LHS. What is LHS? Cos 2a divided by secant a plus sin of 2a divided by cosecant a. Now this can be written as cos 2a into, this is 1 over secant a plus sin 2a into 1 over cosecant a. Now this is equal to, we can write cos 2a, 1 over secant is nothing but again cos a. You know what is one reciprocal of this? 1 over secant a is equal to cos a, and similarly 1 over cosecant a is equal to sin a, right? So this is cos a plus sin 2a as it is into 1 over cosecant is nothing but sin a. 1 over cosecant is sin a. Now if you observe carefully, this is of the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. What is this equal to? This is nothing but cos a minus b formula. What is cos a minus b? Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So you can write cos of a minus b. A is nothing but 2a and b is nothing but a. Cos of 2a minus a, that's equal to cos a, which is a required RHS. That's it. So what is RHS? Cos a. Okay, just write down the reciprocal relation of secant and cosecant. That is nothing but, you will get cos a and sin a. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b is nothing but cos a minus b. Cos 2a minus a is cos a, which is a required answer. Now the next problem is, if a plus b plus c is equal to 180 and tan a is equal to 1, tan b is equal to 2, show that tan c is equal to 3. Now what is given here? Given sum of the angles a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. What is required to find is c, right? So we can write a plus b is equal to 180, transfer this plus c to the right hand side, it becomes minus c. Now take tan on both sides. So this is tan of a plus b is equal to tan of 180 minus c. Now what is tan 180 minus c? Tan 180 minus c comes in second quadrant. This is a, s, t, c. 180 and 90. Tan 180 minus theta comes in second quadrant. 180 minus c. So in second quadrant tan is negative. You will get minus tan c. So what is the formula for tan a plus b? Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to tan 180 minus theta is minus tan c. Now just substitute what is tan a? Tan a is equal to 1 plus tan b. What is tan b? Tan b is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus tan a is 1, tan b is 2 is equal to minus tan c. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 1 minus 2 is equal to minus tan c. This is 3 divided by 1 minus 2 is minus 1 is equal to minus tan c. Minus 3 is equal to minus tan c. Therefore, cancel negative sign on both sides. Tan c is equal to 3, which is the required answer. So, tan c is equal to 3. This is the required answer. Hope you followed. So, very simple. Just take tan a plus b is equal to tan 180 minus c. That is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b is equal to tan of 180 minus theta is minus tan c. Substitute here. Just substitute the value of tan a and tan b. 1 plus 2 is 3 divided by 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 3 by minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 gets cancelled. Tan c is equal to plus 3, which is the required answer. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. So this is based on multiple angles. Prove that cos 3a, we have three problems like this, sin 3a, cos 3a and tan 3a. So prove that cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Now the intention is to convert all the terms to cos, that's it. Now let us take LHS cos 3a. Cos 3a can be written as cos of 2a plus a. Now this is of the form cos a plus b. Cos a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now, so this cos 2a can be written as 2 cos square a minus 1 into this cos 2a, cos a as it is, minus. So for sin 2a we have one formula. So that is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. So you can write 2 sin a into cos a, this sin a as it is. Okay. So cos 2a, since we know cos of 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1. This is the formula. So 2 cos square a minus 1 into cos a is equal to sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a into sin. Now multiply it. This is equal to 2 cos square into cos is 2 cos cube a minus 1 into cos a is cos a minus 2 sin a as it is. 2 sin a into sin a is sin square a, cos a is as it is. Now again this is equal to 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 into sin square can also be written as 1 minus cos square a into this cos a as it is. Now multiply it. So 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a into 1 is 2 cos a minus into minus plus 2 cos square into cos is 2 cos cube a, cos square into cos. So 2 plus 2, how many cos cube? 4 cos cube a minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 cos a. So this is equal to 4 times cos cube a minus 3 cos a, which is the required RHS. That's it, very simple. See here, very simple problem. So convert cos 2a as 2 cos square a minus 1. Again sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. Then you will get 2 sin square a. Convert sin square to cos. So the intention is to convert all trigonometrical functions as cos a. So multiply it. So 2 into cos a, 2 cos a into 1 is 2 cos a, minus into minus plus 2 cos square into cos is 2 cos cube a. 2 cos cube plus 2 cos cube is 4 cos cube, minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 cos a, which is a required RHS. Now move on to the next problem. Prove that sin 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. So this can be solved by taking the RHS. Take RHS, 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square a. Now 2 tan a can be written as sin a divided by cos a. What is tan a? Sin by cos. 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square a. Right, you know tan a can also be written as sin a divided by cos a. Quotient relations, sin a by cos a, and 1 plus tan square identity. 1 plus tan square a is also equal to secant square a. Right. Now the numerator is same. So that is 2 sin a by cos a into this can be written as 1 by secant square a. 1 over secant square a. This is 2 sin a divided by cos a into 1 by secant. 1 by secant is nothing but what? Cos square a. So one cos and cos gets cancelled. In the numerator we have 2 sin a into cos a. 2 sin a cos a is equal to sin 2a, which is the required LHS. That is sin 2a. That's it. Okay. So what do you say? Sin 2a is also equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 plus tan square. This is how we are going to solve this problem. So these are few problems based on compound angles as well as on multiple angles. Hope you followed. So these type of problems are very important for the point of examination. That's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.